Today, I'm gonna reveal why waiting for the right time is sabotaging your success. I'll also tell you how you can break out of this mindset and start building your channel today. And of course, I'll give you some practical steps to get that first video out there, even if you think you're not ready. Ever feel like you're just one more piece of equipment or one more round of research away from being ready? Here's the truth I had to learn the hard way. The perfect time to start doesn't exist. And that's when I realized it. Waiting for the perfect time is like waiting for a unicorn to show up and tell you when it's okay to start. It's never gonna happen. This is exactly like waiting to start a YouTube channel. Most aspiring creators, myself included, get caught up in thinking that we need the perfect camera, the best lighting, or that magic right time to start recording. But the thing is, there is no perfect time. If you're waiting for the stars to align, you're gonna be waiting forever. And here's the cold hard truth. While you're waiting, people who are just starting now are gaining traction, learning from their mistakes, and growing their channels. So the best time to start creating content on YouTube is right now. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need an epic Hollywood-worthy script. What you need is to start. Let me explain why waiting for the perfect moment is actually hurting you. Every day you put off starting, you're missing out on the most important part of growing on YouTube. Learning. See, YouTube isn't about perfection, it's about progress. The creators you see with thousands of subscribers, they got there because they hit record and uploaded the video before they felt ready. They learned by doing. And here's the irony. The longer you wait to start, the longer it will take to improve. And trust me, every creator's first few videos are, well, let's say they're a little bit rough. But you can't get to your 10th video, 20th video, or 100th video, the ones where you really hit your stride, if you don't get through those first few. So how do you break free from this trap? How do you stop waiting for perfection and start creating content that matters? Let's break it down. Start with what you have. You got a smartphone, right? Good, that's actually all you need to start. Don't wait until you can afford a DSLR or studio lighting. Your content is about value. It's not about gear. The viewers who care about your message won't be put off by slightly imperfect visuals. They're there for the value you're offering. Shift your mindset from perfection to growth. Remember this, your first video, it won't be perfect. And that's okay. Instead of focusing on making everything flawless, focus on getting just 1% better with each video you make. Your audience will appreciate your growth and they'll stick around to see your journey. Keep it simple. Don't get bogged down with complicated edits, flashy transitions, or over-the-top effects. The most successful YouTubers, especially in educational or informational niches, rely on clarity, not effects. A clean, straightforward video with a strong message is far more powerful than something overproduced. Let's get into some practical steps you can take today to start creating content on YouTube. Pick a topic. Actually, pick a topic you're passionate about. Now think of something you can talk about for hours without getting bored. That's where your first video should come from. Don't overthink it. Just pick one thing and run with it. You can ask yourself what excites you. What do you know that others would find valuable? Script out a rough idea. This doesn't have to be a Hollywood screenplay. Just write down a few bullet points of what you want to say. A loose outline is enough to keep you on track. And remember, your personality is your greatest asset, so let that shine through. Film your video. Just hit record, no excuses. Whether it's on your phone or an old webcam, just start filming. Pretend you're talking to a friend. Be yourself, be relaxed, and just focus on delivering value. And here is the most important part. Post that video. Don't wait until you've edited it to perfection. Don't second guess whether it's good enough. Once you've filmed it, do a quick edit for any major issues and get it online. You can learn and improve as you go. So why is it so important to start now? Because the sooner you start, the sooner you'll start seeing results. Even if your first video only gets a handful of views, that's still something. Each upload builds your confidence, sharpens your skills, and helps you find your voice as a creator. Plus, starting early means you'll have a library of content in a few months. When the new viewers find your channel, they'll have multiple videos to watch, and that's how you build loyal subscribers. People will stick around for your journey, not because you waited until everything was perfect, but because they see your progress and the value what you're offering. At the end of the day, the perfect time to start your YouTube journey doesn't exist. The only perfect time is right now. The sooner you start, the faster you'll grow. And I'm not talking about subscribers, but in confidence, skill, and knowledge. If you've been putting off creating content, this is your sign. There's no better moment to start than today. So hit record, upload that video, and start sharing your voice with the world. Here's what I want you to do. Leave a comment below and tell me when you're posting your first video. Or if you've already started, let me know what held you back at first. If you're ready for more tips and tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel without waiting for perfection, think about hitting that subscribe button and stick around. And if you're feeling discouraged about starting on YouTube with 0 subscribers, I highly recommend watching this video. It's a real, honest look at what it's like to be in the early stages, and it'll remind you that you're not alone on your journey.